Good morning, students. So here I have some one activity for you for your summer vacations. So as I have covered linear equations in one variable in the class also, I hope you all know what is linear equation. So let's take one example. Let's say the example that I have covered in this activity is 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. Okay, let's say 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. Now if you need to solve for x, what you will do, 2x will remain in the LHS and you will take 3 in the RHS, right? You just need to transpose this 3, so 3 will come in the RHS and the sign is reversed, right? And the sign got opposite with opposite sign, right? Here is a positive sign, here is positive sign is there, here positive sign is there, but when this 3 transpose to the RHS, its sign get reversed, right? Now it become negative. So what will your answer? You will say x 2x is equals to 2, or you can simply write x is equals to 2 upon 2. So when you cancel out 2 ones are 2, you will get x is equals to 1. The same thing you need to do in this activity in a creative way, in an innovative way. Okay, beta. So this is the activity. I hope what you need to do is I hope you this thing is clear to you what you need to do in this activity. So the topic is linear equation in one variable. It's an integrated project, and this project is integrated with computers. Okay, you will get an idea by the computer teacher that how you can create a PPT, PDF, or a video based on the same. Now the objective or the aim of this activity is to learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable in a creative way. Okay, and the fourth thing is material required to perform this activity is you need to take A4 size sheets, or you can take drawing sheets, colored drawing sheets, like yellow color drawing sheet or pink color or green color drawing sheet. Okay, a ruler, pair of scissors, black marker, compass, pencil. Okay, so basically you need to do this activity in a very creative way using different colors. Okay, and as I have already told you, the mode of presentation can be PDF, PPT, in chart form, or in a form of video, but the length of that video should be 3 to 4 minutes, not longer than that. Okay, about this, computer teacher will explain you how you can make a PPT or chart based on the same. Okay, now the methodology that we are going to use in this activity is step 1 is to take a thick blue sheet of paper and draw some squares, and after drawing some squares you need to cut those squares with the help of pair of scissors. How? You can see here. So in the first figure I have green color, and I have drawn some circles in the green sheet. Then I cut 1 2 3 4 5, around 5 to 6 circles I just cut from this, right? Similarly, using blue sheet, so basically you have a three color sheet here. One is green, other is blue, and other is red. So from blue you just need to take two squares basically, or you can say two rectangles, whatever you want to say. Okay, from the red sheet, again you need to cut out some circles. So why I have used green color and red color for the same, for the circles, I'll give you the reason for that. Okay, now, so step 1 step 2, I think this these steps are clear to you, that you need to draw some squares, you need to draw some circles. Okay, similarly in third step, take thick green sheet of paper and draw small circles. Carefully you need to cut out 5 to 6 circles from the green sheet with the help of pair of scissors, right? Similarly, you need to take red sheet of paper and draw some circles. Carefully, you need to cut out 5 to 6 circles, as I have already explained you. Now, as soon as you have green circles, blue squares and red circles, then what you need to do is you need to write -1 on the red circles and +1 on the green circles, and you need to write a literal x. Basically these are variables, and variables are also known as literals. So you need to use you need to write this x on the blue squares, okay, like this, as it is shown in this figure. I think this figure is the highlighted figure, okay. This picture is showing that -1 is written on the red circles and +1 is written on the green, and x is written on the squares, right, blue squares. Then after all this, we will have some red and green circles and some blue circle squares, right. Now students, you need to write -1 on the red circles and +1 on the green circles and x on the blue squares, okay. Then the seventh step, you need to take a white sheet of paper and write on the top of the sheet linear equation one variable activity, like this, linear equation one variable, and on the right hand side you need to write activity, and then you need to write this equation 2x plus 3 is equals to 5, and you need to put two squares on which x is written below 2x. Similarly, you need to put three green circles on which +1 is written below 3. Similarly, you need to put five green circles on which +1 is written below 5. लाइक बेटा 2x के नीचे आपने टू ब्लू इस वो रखे हैं, स्क्वायर्स रखे हैं। 3 के नीचे बेटा आपने +1 ग्रीन 3 रखे हैं, एंड 5 के नीचे बेटा आपने कितने 5 +1 रखे हैं, ओके। नाउ in the next step, what you need to do is you need to add 3 -1s. That means you need to add 3 like this. You need to add 3 -1, or you can say minus, or you can say red circles, okay, on which -1 is written below 3. Similarly, you need to add 3 red circles in the RHS also. That means below 5. -1 -1 -1. As you all know that -1 gets cancelled out by +1. So in the next step, what you will get, 2x, below 2x still you have two blue squares, but below 3 nothing is there, right? And below 5 only two green circles are left, right? Now 2x is nothing but two blue squares, and this 2 is nothing but the two green circles, right? And at the last you will have 2x is equals to 2, or you can say x is equals to 1. That means this is the solution of this linear equation, which is nothing but 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. So this is all you need to perform, okay. And use different sort of colors, use different sort of color papers, and this is not a foundation that you only need to solve this linear equation. If you want, you can take any other linear equation also, okay. So this is all. So okay, thank you students.